guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. It's been like we had 9 days yasumi, or we don't have work for 9 days, but for all those 9 days I did not vlog, I did not film any video, I did not edit any video, I did not do anything. Because I wasn't feeling well, that's why oh my god, lumakas. So today I just wanted to do a video because I just wanted to document this because I thought, akala ko na hindi ako makaka-experience ng snow this year, but today nag-snow guys, pero slight lang naman, may ganyan, parang ganyan lang. I don't know if you can see it, but you cannot see it, but kasi sa forecast it's sunny buong araw and the rest of the week like may mga rain, but there's no snow. Pero bakit may snow ngayon? I don't like snow and I'm supposed to wear my mask kasi nga, yun nga, I have allergies going on and I have difficulty breathing, kaya yun nga, MIA ako sa YouTube na naman kasi nga I wasn't so feeling well and I wasn't expecting. Tapos sorry, naiwan pa ang aking lab na ano din, parehas kami. Oh my god, how can you get that? But it's really snowing and look at my face after the Christmas break or the winter break. May winter break pa. Meron kaming 9 days, yun nga, no work sa work. Kaya I think I have eaten quite food a lot day of food, kaya parang my face looks so little rounded, pero ano yan, pag may trabaho, ano na naman, mawawala na naman kasi busy. So ayan, we're inside the tunnel here kasi nandito papunta kami sa train station. Ayun, tapos may baon ako, si Rocky nandyan sa likod. I will be seeing you later guys. We're going to catch the train. Ayan, bulol na, so I'm just gonna wear my mask because it's starting to bother my beautiful nose. Ayan, see you later! Finally getting inside the train. So cold outside. You need to bonnet what?
Bonnet train.
Bonnet train.
次は多治見です。The next stop is
Look at the sky. Guys, I just wanted to quickly eat because I haven't eaten. So ito yung huli natin. Onigiri. This is tuna mayo onigiri. Ay, hindi pala tuna mayo. Joke. Ano pala siya? Salmon. Tatawag pala yung binili ko. Tuna mayo. Ito, salmon. Tapos salmon pala yung ginawa ko. So, yan. Check it out. Hi guys, I'm back. But I did not video anything video. So, nandito pala kami sa tapat ng Family Mart kasi we bought some food eh. Wala kasing makain doon sa sa kai. Oo, parang weird, no? Ubos yung mga, we don't want to go to restaurant kasi parang hindi naman gusto lang namin bumili ng sa convenience, pero weird yung convenience store doon. Ilang convenience store na yung namin napuntahan, pero walang walang baligya. So, walang baligya. Naubos sa New Year, walang laman yung mga foodie, kaya dito na lang kami. Maga pa naman, it's still 2 afternoon. So tingnan nyo naman, the sun is bright up na. Kanina diba nagsusnow siya ng konti, but kain mo na kami ni Rocky saglit. And this is my foodie. Here's mine. Wow, vivid lagi kay ang color sa ako ang camera. What happened? Oh, weird kay tanawa bro, diba? Is it the same? But this is my foodie. Ano ba to? Beef? Ay, pork. And coffee. This is my favorite coffee from Georgia. It's their Hachimitsu no latte. Yan. Masarap siya. I really like the combination of coffee and honey. Yan, itadakimasu. We came from Himalaya. Hindi ako nakapag video doon. Hindi ko alam kung pwede bang mag video sa loob doon. Naghanap lang kami ng something to buy. Ang bura ng sapatos sa maraming sale sa sa Himalaya. Ang ganda ng mga pero bagay siya sa mga maliliit na na paa. Pag ladies kasi pag na 25 pataas hindi na wala na. Doon ka na sa sa men's sectioning. Where is my wait lang guys, mag-seatbelt mo. So guys, I wanted to show to you my cat. Well, actually they are not my cats. Pusakal dito, but that is Margot eating. Kawawa naman sila guys. It's so cold here outside. Gusto ko sana silang dalhin sa sa loob pero hindi pwede. I have allergies. This is Maxi. Maxi, ayan, may mole dito si Maxi. This is Makoy. Makoy, may dalawa pang si Welbin tsaka si Marcos pero wala sila. Now they're eating. Ayan, Margot is the only girl of the bunch. Ayan, Margot. Medyo madaling natatakot si Margot guys. Pero nagpapahawak naman yan. Tingnan mo. Maxi! Maxi? Maxi. Maxi. Ay, wala nang foodie si Maxi. So, bibigyan ko sila ng food. Ito pala, minix ko. Kasi may nabili kaming hindi masyadong mabango. Tapos naubusan kasi kaya lang, it's a mix of a different brand. Hindi masyadong mabango. Tapos, minix na lang namin para at least kainin pa rin nila. Ayan. Then kung nilalagay ko na lang yung foodie dito sa kasi sabi ni Rocky, wag daw akong bumili ng lalagyan ng yun na kasi yan ang dami na kay Margot. Maxi? Yan. Makoy. Mas sweet yung mga lalaki na cats compare sa girl. Kasi etong girl na to, ayaw talaga magpa-pet-pet. Pero eto, ayan laging baiid. Ano ba yan? Tagalog ng baiid. Basta laging yan, gustong nagpa-pet-pet-pet. Maxi? Let me see Maxi, B. Maxi! Ayan si Maxi. Oh, cute. He doesn't bother me like playing with him. Ayan, Maxi! Yan, congratulations. Ba si Margot? Margot! Escaping na si Margot. Margot! Ayan. She really wants... Uy, may na-jealous dyan, Hi friends, so we're home and I'm just going to quickly prepare our baon for tomorrow kasi back to work na. It is January 6 na. Mag-work na tayo and sorry for the kalat as usual at the background. Ayan, so I'm just going to make or to prepare the broccoli because we always eat broccoli. It's very simple guys. I just blanch bang tawag niyan, with water. Hindi siya steam kasi wala akong steamer. So I just quickly put it in a boiling water. Just a quick lang. Tapos eto, tatlo pala to. Yan, divo. Yan. Also, we need to do some laundry. Kasi, hindi masyadong malaki yung aming, washing machine. Kaya, maglo-laundry tayo. Everyday. Ayun, so, yeah, everyday. Kasi ayoko ng, maraming laundry. Kasi, parang feeling ko, pag natatambak siya sa hamper, parang nangangamoy or something. I know, it's weird, but, that's how I usually roll. So, hindi pala ito yung gamit namin na as usual. Ito yung soap, laundry detergent na ginagamit namin from Ariel. Itong green one kasi Yung green, pwede ka isampay mo sa loob yung mga, anong tawag yan, yung mga damit mo. Kasi unlike sa US, di ba, usually they have washing machine and dryer, but dito sa Japan, it's not usual that you have washing machine and a dryer. So we usually hang our clothes, and ngayon since it's winter, hindi mo pwedeng hang sa labas kasi hindi yun matutuyo na. It's so cold outside, so it meets the purpose na ipatutuyo mo yung damit mo. So if you are here in Japan, and then you hang your clothes inside, check this one from Ariel. This is for yung pag sinampay mo siya sa loob lang, hindi sa labas, yung hindi siya naaarawan. Tapos mabago din to. And I also discovered new, it's not really new, but I don't usually use this one, but I tried it and medyo affordable naman siya. This one from Downy. It looks pretty the same doon sa Pilipinas, but yung amoy niya is different from the Downy sa Philippines. And I don't know where this came from kasi iba yung niya, yung language niya. Ayan, I don't know. Rende has the L doble. I don't know. Anong meaning nito, pero surely hindi siya for Japan. Marami din naman mga murang imported na mga products dito na sinisell. And then usually siya mura if imported. Weird, diba? Weird. So ayan, I highly recommend this one from Dana. If you will see this in your local store dito sa Japan, then better try this one. Hello friends, so welcome back. Anong tawag yan? Nakapag na pala ko. I was away. I was finished getting ready all the yung pagkain namin bukas and for the rest of the week. And then I also got all the clothes ironed. Ironed, but this is still a mess, a pretty mess. But I cleared everything here because I'm planning to make this area my filming area, pero hindi nangyari kasi yun nga, I was not feeling well for the past days. Ang haba ng ng break ko from work, but yeah, maybe on like Saturday or Sunday kasi for sure may kami holidays sa Monday next week, so I'm gonna work on that. And yeah, this is our closet. Ang laki na, but it's really a room, but we made it a closet. So I'm just going to quickly share to you guys what we got from Himalaya. Yeah, ang daming sale sa Himalaya ngayon. Yung shoes tsaka bags nila, ang dami-daming sale, and I'm gonna show you what Rookie got. I was looking for a bag kasi nasira na yung bag niya, and then yung original na hinahanap niya talaga is like yung parehas ng bag niya dati, yung shoe bag, but since hindi maganda or maliliit yung mga shoe bag na nandoon, so he found this one from sorry for the kalat, from Nike. Ayan. Hindi naman siya masyadong malaki, but hindi din siya masyadong maliit, but it's a very cute one. Ayan yung itsura niya guys, from Himalaya, and perfect lang yung size niya. And then this is the price. So the original price is this one, 2,800, and it's on sale. Tideng! Ayan 1,800 na lang, so mga 1,000 yen yung yung off niya. I don't know how many percent is 1,000 yen from this, but medyo malaki na din yung 1,000 yen off, diba? So ayan, if you wanted to buy bag dito sa Japan, better check Himalaya kasi ang dami nilang sale, mga sale. Usually when we go there, marami talaga silang sale, especially shoes. Ayan, so I just wanted to quickly share to you what they got. Ayan, The bag is so cute. Saan ka makakabili ng bag from Nike na ganito yung price, di ba? Hi boys, welcome back. So, I already took a shower because I'm ready to sleep, but not really. Maaga pa, wala pang 8 p.m. So, since maaga pa, kakain muna ako. Oh my god, I'm having trouble breathing again. Grabe yung pimple ko. So big there. I think it's because of my conditioner, because I tried the same brand but the different variety. Yan. I knew it. And my friends are still here. Maybe because I'm basta yun na yan. So naligo na ako because I wanna get ready. Kasi may work na bukas. But guys, I tell you, for like a couple of days, I rarely take a shower. Diba, sweet?
Wow. Wow.
Because
wow.
I don't
Wow.
I just
You just poop.
I just wake up, gising, and then I eat, and then I poop. Yeah. And then I poop. Pagkatapos, right after kumain, nagpupoop, and then watch. Yun lang talaga, and then sleep, ganun. Have you noticed my chubby cheeks? Diba? Medyo chubby cheeks. So, kain muna ako ng ng maha ni Lota. Kasi kasi gumawa si Lota ng nung New Year na, hindi kami nagluto ni Ruki kasi nga hindi kami pwedeng kumain ng marami, especially me. So, yan. That's why we decided na hindi na lang magluto. Gusto pa naman namin gumawa ng macaroni salad, pero yun nga kasi pag andyan, for sure kakainin namin. So we decided na hindi na lang. Yung niluto namin is broccoli, tapos yung mga fruits lang, yun. Tapos si Lota naman nagluto ng isang katutak. Binigyan niya ako ng pansit, maha, tapos macaroni salad din. So may leftover pa ng maha kasi hindi ko kayang hindi naman masyadong kumakain si Ruki ng maha ko lang. So here's the maha ni Lota. Yung maha ni Lota, so bakit maliwanag to? Medyo marami-rami pa. Like, yan ito yung half, but konti ng half. Tapos ito kinain ni Ruki. Yan lang yung kinuha niya. Tapos meron din akong onigiri. Hindi na kamakaw na ni. Onigiri. So, kakainin ko din to kasi baka mag-expire na to. Kasi pag ito, mabilis lang yung life nila. Tingnan nyo, one day lang. So, hanggang bukas lang siya. So, I better eat this and konting kape. Ito lang yung kape daw, guys. And I also wanted to eat this one. Yung marshmallow na candy ko. Kasi gusto ko. Ayan, so kain muna tayo, guys. So sorry for the cluttery surrounding, but this is how we roll. Kain muna ako ng maha kasi baka nung pa to New Year. Na, ilang days na ba? 1, 2, 3, na sarap. Sarap ng maha ni Lota.
Maha ni Lota. May
Pero,
peto pa.
parang nag-defrost konti may tubig. Kasi nilagay to ni Rocky sa labas. Hindi niya kinain.